Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use your own voice on the Suno mobile app using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Suno app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the create icon at the bottom mid. Tap on custom at the top. Look for a button or menu that says record sing or the mic icon. Tap the record button. Make sure your microphone is allowed to access the app. You might see a countdown before recording start. Sing your lyrics or speak your lines clearly into your phone microphone. When you finish, tap stop to end the recording. After recording, Suno will use your voice in the song. You can listen to how it sounds, then save or edit it if you want. And that's it. Now you know how to use your own voice on the Suno mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.